Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seekers. So today we're going to be checking out 10 stunning long to short transformations. Very chic bob haircuts for that first one. And then it looks like we have another bob haircuts for the second. Oh, gorgeous French girl style bob with the bottleneck bangs. Absolutely stunning. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of these hairstyle ideas within today's video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and of course hit that subscribe button to stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So here we have someone cut their hair into a beautiful lob haircut. Wow, her hair looks so thick and full. And then we have this Winona Ryder pixie haircut inspired style. Oh, I love her hair. It looks so effortless and just beautiful. Very cute. Next up, we have another long to short transformation. Looks like she decided to get a bob haircut, followed by another gorgeous lob with bangs. And then we have this French girl style bob. So leave me in the comments below which hairstyle from today's video is your favorite. Here we have someone with long curly hair. Oh wow, very stylish. And then we have someone who did a DIY haircut and she decided to go to the stylist to get it fixed up. And the stylist does end up giving her beautiful layers. And then we have a DIY curtain bang style. So this is a very popular technique for cutting your own curtain bangs. Gorgeous, she did a great job with that. So if you guys want to see even more inspiring hairstyle ideas, be sure to check out this video next.